Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're trying to buy Robux or an item on Roblox and see the message your account has not been charged, don't worry, in this quick video we're going to talk about it. So first, this message usually pops up when a purchase attempt fails. It means Roblox did not charge your card or account, so no money was taken, but the transaction did not go through either. So this could happen because of a temporary error on Roblox's end, payment method issues, weak internet connection, or if the item is off sale. So here's what you can do to fix it. You can firstly refresh the page or restart the Roblox app. Sometimes it's just a glitch. Then, if your Wi-Fi drops for even a second during checkout, the transaction can fail. Also, you can try switching to a different card or use Roblox gift card credit. Also, Roblox service may be having a hiccup. Try again in 10 to 15 minutes. If it's no longer available, the transaction won't complete. If your money was taken and you did not get the Robux or item, go to Roblox/support and fill out the purchase issue form. They're usually quick to respond. And that's it. Your account has not been charged message just means your purchase did not go through. So if this helped, give it a thumbs up, the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more Roblox tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.